At Eden Nursery, learning doesn't just happen inside four walls. It happens in the open air, where every leaf, puddle and patch of mud becomes a place of discovery. Cave Inspectorate Wales encourages every setting to offer rich, daily outdoor experiences, spaces that inspire curiosity, confidence and independence. That's exactly what we do here. Our outdoor environment is a classroom without limits, where children climb, balance, dig, pour, build and imagine. They take safe risks, make choices and learn how to care for the world around them. Every adventure builds strength, teamwork and self-belief. Eden Nursery, where every child grows, plays and flourishes.